What's your name, please?
My name is John.
John.
Yeah.
How old are you, John?
Now I'm 14 years.
Okay, John. We'll start with part one. In this part, I'm going to ask you some questions about yourself. Who do you spend most time studying with?
I spend most time studying with my girlfriend Tina. Yeah, we are in the same class, so we have a same homework and issue. Yeah, we spend most our time to discuss the issue in especially in math, and I feel very comfortable when I study with her.
What kinds of things do you study with other people?
We sometimes collaborate on a math project, uh, which is require teamwork. Yeah, and not only because it help me understand the issue clearly, but it make the project easier, and it make the project faster.
Are there times when you study better by yourself?
Yes, definitely. There are times I study better on my own, especially when I need a quiet environment, and for in quiet environment for my reading or listening test, IELTS test, and I need to be focused when I study math.
Is it important to like the people you study with?
From my perspective, it's very important to like the people you study with. Yeah, of course. When you like the people you study with, your study will be more easier because you know each other very well. On the other hand, if you don't like the people you study with or even hate them, the project and your studies will be slower, and you can feel stressful.
Now let's move to part two. In this part, you are going to describe a hotel that you know. You should say where this hotel is, what this hotel looks like, what facilities this hotel has, and explain whether you think this is a nice hotel to stay in. You will have 1 minute to take notes
Okay.
and 1 to 2 minutes to answer.
Okay.
Okay, John, time's up.
What? Real?
1 minute and 50 seconds.
Okay.
Alright, now you have 1 to 2 minutes to answer. You can start now.
Today I would like to talk about the hotel that I know. Yeah, the hotel was located in Nha Trang, nearby the beach, and of course I was in my beach holiday. Um, Outside the hotels look very luxury and magnificent. It's very big, yeah, and inside when I came in, it's full of art, and it's like an art gallery with full of pictures on the wall, and we had a queue. My brother and I went sightseeing around the hotel, and we see that there were gyms, spa, and a swimming pool, but there didn't have a buffet. So I think it was the minus point in my eyes. Also, it has a luxury restaurant on the top of the hotel. I saw that many couples often went there. And um, I would recommend to those who like to have relaxing place and peaceful. The hotel was very comfortable and it's very suitable for those who need to be relaxed and need into it.
Okay, John, we will move to part 3. We've been talking about a hotel you know, and I would now like to ask you some questions related to this. What things are important when people are choosing a hotel?
There are several things when people choosing a hotel. First is the cost. Nobody wants to pay for the overpriced room. And secondly, the facilities. Yeah, I think people should rent a room that have modern facilities to make sure that you have a best experience. Finally, it's about the service. I saw that many staff hotel doesn't are not behavior and kind when the customer come in.
The last question. Do you think staying in a luxury hotel is a waste of money?
From my perspective, it's not. Because when you pay a lot of money for the luxury hotel, you will get a equal service, and I think it's very worth it. For instance, if you have a meal in a restaurant, luxury hotel, you may be served by the luxury chef, and the meal would be very wonderful.
Well done, John. Thank you and goodbye.
Bye.